Quick question. What does square 2 plus 3 equal? If you say 25, you're about to see why that's not always true in C. Here's a macro. It looks exactly like a function, square. Takes an x, seems to square it. A macro isn't a function. It runs in a completely separate step before your code is even compiled, called the preprocessor. And all the preprocessor does is swap text, literally word for word. So when I write unsafe square 2 plus 3, the preprocessor doesn't compute anything. It just replaces the x with the literal text 2 plus 3 everywhere x appears, which means that actually what reaches the compiler is this: 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 3, and by normal order of operations, multiplication before addition, that's 2 plus 6 plus 3, 11, not 25. The fix is parenthesis around the argument and the whole expression. Now the swap produces 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 3. Parenthesis forces it to evaluate correctly, 25. And both of these are checked at compile time. No running, no printing. If either expansion doesn't match what I expect, the build itself fails and tells me exactly where. Let's build it. Clean build, both checks passed. Now if you want to see the raw substitution with your own eyes, not just take my word for it, let's run the preprocessor by itself. gcc-e main.c tail minus 20. There it is. 2 plus 3 in parenthesis times 2 plus 3 in parenthesis equal to 25, and this is 2 plus 3 without the parenthesis, exactly as I said. That's not magic. That's literally what got typed in after the swap. So next time you see a macro that looks like a function, remember it's not one. It's a stand-in for typing text yourself, and it's worth double checking exactly what text it's standing in for.